Welcome to Propel. I'm Martin, and today I'll guide you through how to use the world's first end-to-end AI writing tool built specifically for PR and communications pros to create customized, high-quality drafts that perfectly reflect your brand voice. Let's dive in. First, from the Propel homepage, head over to the Content section. Under AI Pitch Writer, start by writing a clear and concise description of your pitch in 15 to 100 words. This description helps our AI understand what your pitch is about, so make it as informative as you can. Next, choose the voice you'd like your pitch to be written in. Click the small icon next to the voice selection box to see all the available options. Need a specific voice style? Click Add New Voice. Give your new voice a name, then paste a sample of a pitch you've previously written. Just hit Save, and Propel's AI will learn your brand's tone and create pitches that reflect your brand's unique style. Once your voice is selected, click Generate. Our AI writer is trained on a robust dataset of over 5 million real pitches and press releases and millions of articles. In seconds, Propel's AI creates a pitch that's ready to go. Simply click Copy to paste it wherever you're pitching from. But did you know? You can also use our AI pitch writer directly within Gmail and Outlook. Whether you're drafting a pitch or personalizing a message, our AI pitch writer integrates seamlessly with both platforms. To create a press release, go to the AI Press Release Writer tab and repeat these steps. Easy as that. Here's a helpful tip. When writing a press release, add news details like place, date, and other critical details in the prompt, so the tool can draft a press release that's accurate and newsworthy. With Propel, crafting personalized, brand-aligned pitches and press releases has never been simpler. For more tips and support, reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com. Thanks for watching.